Welcome, and following is a Xiaomi Mi A3, and today I'll show you how to insert SIM and SD card into the device. So before we get started, you will need a SIM eject tool, as I have one right here. They come in a box, so you can just get it from there, or if you can find it, you can always use a paper clip and it should work just fine. So once you have it, let's take out the tray, which should be located, let's see, on the left side. So just push it out like so. You can see that it's kind of sticking out now, so you just want to pull it out the rest of the way, and from here you can place the SIM like so and the SD card like this. Make sure that both of the SIM and SD card are laying flush, as you can see, and then you can slide it back in. Now before I put it in, I will also show that you can switch it up and have two SIM cards. So if I take this one, I can actually put it right over here, and that would allow me to have another one on the actual SIM location. So you have option to have two SIMs, but then you won't be able to have the memory card. So let me just put it back like it was. Okay, and then just slide it back into the device like so, and let's unlock the device. You can see that there's already the icon for the SD card, and it's trying to look for reception. So that is how you would insert SIM and SD card into the device. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.